Extended persistence context in Hibernate. Now we are considering extended scope persistent context. Here you can see extended persistent context. As extended persistent context can span across multiple transactions, we can persist the entity without the transaction but cannot flush it without the transaction. To tell entity manager to use extended scope persistent context, we need to apply the type attribute of persistent context, like here. In the stateless session bin, the extended persistence context in one component is completely unaware of any persistent context of another component. This is true even if both are in the same transaction. Let's say we persist some entity in a method of a component A which is running in a transaction. We then call some of the method in component B. The component B's method persistent context will not we will not find the entity we persist previously in the method component A. Here you can see entity manager 1, entity manager 2, entity manager 3 are inside application. Entity manager 1 interacts with persistent context via operation. Entity manager 2 interacts with persistent context via operation. Entity manager 3 interacts with persistent context via operation. User 1 here, user 1 and user 1 and user 1 are in persistent context. Persistent context interacts with DB. Persistent context is connected to DB via persist. DB is connected to persistent context via find. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.